Mistplay does not lock all $5 gift cards to a single fixed unit amount, because the exact unit cost changes depending on the specific reward listing shown in your app at the time you redeem. By the end, you'll understand how Mistplay sets unit requirements for $5 rewards, why the number can change, and how to see the exact amount you need inside your account. Start with the core system. Mistplay units are earned through playing games inside the app, and those units are exchanged for gift cards like the $5 option. Now explain the key detail. A $5 gift card is just a value tier, not a fixed unit price across every account. Now explain why people get confused. Many users expect a single number for all $5 redemptions, but Mistplay adjusts unit requirements based on region, availability, and reward inventory. Now explain what actually matters. The only accurate unit requirement is the one shown directly in your Mistplay rewards section. Now, explain how to check it. Open the Mistplay app and go to the Rewards tab. Now, explain what to look for. Find the $5 gift card option you want and check the unit value displayed next to it. Now, explain variation. Different $5 gift cards can show different unit requirements depending on the brand or platform behind the reward. Now explain timing behavior. Some $5 rewards may also appear temporarily unavailable, which can change the unit options you see. Now explain earning context. Units are only earned through gameplay sessions tracked inside Mistplay, so your conversion depends on how consistently your sessions are recorded. Now explain a common mistake. Looking up unit values online often leads to outdated numbers because Mistplay updates reward pricing over time. Now explain the correct approach. Treat the app listing as the only real source of truth for current $5 redemption cost. Now, summarize the core idea. Mistplay does not use one universal unit value for all $5 gift cards. The exact requirement changes based on reward type, region, and availability. And the only reliable number is always the one shown inside the Apex reward screen. One practical next step. Open Mistplay, go to Rewards, and check the $5 gift card listing to see the exact units required right now. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay breakdowns that explain how the system actually works without guessing or outdated numbers.